Welcome back if you watched the last few tutorials. If you haven't, I'm basically doing the entire alphabet, each 3 letters in a different style, teaching you the fundamentals of spray painting. And we're going to do the next few letters, which is P, Q, R. And this one's going to be real different because we're going to be doing more of like a tattoo styling letters just to mix it up. So for this, you know, I'm going to do that traditional tattoo style. I don't know if you can picture it. But it's sort of like, you know, you got your P, this has got the big triangle thing in it. I'm gonna make those into bigger blocks. And let's actually make this a bit taller, like that. And then we're gonna go around. So I'll do a P like that. And this is like our sketch, our pencil sketch, you know. So I'm gonna have this Q sort of overlap a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing. So this will have that starting point, bigger section on the left. And let's do a big swooping Q down here. Let's overlap this one because the other ones were. This R is going to be very similar to the P. So let's just almost copy that shape over here. P, Q, we got a little triangle thing here, same thing in there. And let's do a big swooping R. Just like that. So that's what you're gonna see. It's just your sketch. It's gonna look real dodgy, but now is the time that you have to basically make it look good. Let's see if we can do that with a style that I've probably never painted before. At this point, we're gonna fill in our section. So I want the bottom triangle to be red. I think it sort of suits with that, you know, that tattoo styling. I quite like the red on black type of style. P, Q, R. And because we're gonna have like overlapping letters, there's gonna be a different way that I'm gonna have to layer this. So just having to think in advance. Right here, the top of this Q and the P are touching. If both of these are black, it's going to be a problem. So I'm going to do a bit of a black and white outline here to mix it up a little bit. I'll add a few fades here and there, and you'll definitely find a few techniques here that you can implement into your practice, no matter what you're doing, you know. So let's just start lining the whole thing because that's the shape that we want to get. And we're going to go thicker than usual, you know, like most of the time, you know, you just have your singular line down here, but let's just make it a bit thicker because, you know, it's up on a wall, it wants to be bold. Let's move on to our next two, and you can sort of follow along. See how close that I paint when I paint the wall. That type of stuff is really important to learn. Got the start of the Q. And then let's start this R. So if I had to be completely honest with you, I'm experimenting with this one too. So that's why this video is good. Gets me to do different letter forms and try different techniques. Let's get a fade going. That's gonna make these parts look more punchy. And we'll do the same thing in the bottom. So I'm angling my wrist here to be able to get this. Not painting forwards directly. And let's cut these back. So we got our starting little, you know, bits. This is the point where I'm gonna have to change the color up to be able to see the rest of the letter. Same thing with the Q. Let's use the black again. And don't go full on, just like at a distance like this. Like a bit of a... That way that'll just tie this in a little bit with the rest of our piece. If you really want this to stand out, a bit of a shadow on the white sections might be cool. Like offset it. So let's see what happens with that. If I do this, there we go. It's like something real different. That's what happens when you got to spell the whole alphabet with spray paint, is you end up doing some weird stuff. So hopefully it inspired you, maybe just considering like breaking down your colors in different ways to show your letters. This one's way more abstract than usual, but I don't know. Hopefully you learned a little bit of technique. If you want to learn more, jump into the last videos, all the next videos that are coming up. I teach everything about spray painting, from characters to murals to street art to graffiti to everything you need to know. So jump in on my channel, check it out. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.